Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the Halloween party set. So here it is, and I'm going to add it to my little Halloween desk setup. So this is the newest Halloween set, and we got it from Japan, from Amazon Japan, and it looks so cute. So here is the contents on the side. So you can see it's like a little treat set with a table and chairs, and then it also comes with 3 cats. And what I thought was funny is that none of these cats are related. We have a Persian cat, a tuxedo cat, and a midnight cat. Tiny little baby. I really love the packaging. And there it is on the back, and there's a cake which you can arrange in different ways with different decorations. It says trick or treat on the side. I really do love the purple packaging. So there they are. So we have Sky Persian, Angelica Marlowe, I think, and not sure. I'm thinking Reggie, but I don't know. So I've just checked what their names are, and surprisingly I was right. It is a little baby Reggie Midnight, but I think this is actually Peppermint Marlowe rather than Angelica, because if you look you can just see that she's got more black on her right ear, our left, as we look at her. And I'm pretty sure that's Sky, because the other one's Lyra, I'm sure. So let's open it. And there is also going to be another Halloween set soon, and that is with the marshmallow mice, and it's just like a recolour of the Halloween playhouse, so it'll be really exciting to get that soon as well. So we've got some instructions on the side of how to flip their capes over into hats and vice versa, and how to decorate the cakes. How cute! I really love their dresses. So here is Sky Persian. Sit her down. Look at that dress. That is so different. So we've got like a spooky scene at the bottom with fences and vines and houses. I love that. And then she's got like bat wings at the top of her cape. So I think you just kind of flip it upside down, inside out. So just like that. Let's have a look at the pictures. Oh, I think this goes in like that, and then down. So she's got like a cape on. So that's a cool idea. And then folds back out. Ta-da! Very cute. And then with the ghost hat, we have Peppermint Marlowe. And she's got a more pink coloured dress rather than purple. Again, just flips inside out and upside down. Oh yeah, I've got the hang of it now. That one was easier to do. So cool. So cute. And the same style dress. And then we have little baby Reggie. Tiny baby in a pumpkin. So here he is. And he is wearing a bright green little blanket. And there's the pumpkin. So cute. So now let's get all of the little pieces out. So we've got 2 chairs. And a table. I really love the purple and grey colour scheme. And then look at all the cute little accessories we have. I especially love the little pumpkins that look like they've got, I guess it's like coffee in there. Pumpkin spice, I reckon. So cute. And the gold cutlery. Very posh. So now we can properly see the backdrop in the box. It's like a house all decorated for Halloween. I especially love the pumpkin rug and the purple curtains. Very cool. And then here we have all of our pieces. Some of the pieces have just exploded out. There we go. Ooh, the cake stand, which has got a spider's web on it. Cool. And again, that's a gold fancy colour. Put that in the middle of our table. So here is our cake, which is shaped like a pumpkin. So that. Oh, right. So it's got that shape on the bottom of the cake, which can fit to the berries there. Like that. Just kind of sits on it. And then we've got our little decorations. That's like a haunted house made of chocolate. Very yummy. A like melting candle. And a spooky ghost. And that can go on there. And then we have cups and saucers. In a pale pink colour. Two of those. And we have a big hat, which fits over the pumpkin like that and hides Reggie inside. How cute. And then we have 4 plates, 2 this size and 2 bigger ones. We're going to need a bigger table. Okay. And we've got these little pumpkin treats. That one is a ghost. And this one is a pumpkin. And we've also got some muffins. A chocolate cat. And you can also put the decorations on top of these as they have a hole in the top. And a spooky green cake with green goo. Looks very yummy. Lots of buttercream icing. And then lastly, we have our cutlery. 2 spoons and 2 forks. Because in Sylvania, they're very posh and they like to eat their cakes with forks. They don't want to get mucky paws. And I've just noticed that the piece that the cutlery was in is shaped like a pumpkin. How cool. So even in the packaging, they have thought of everything. I love that. That's really cool. And I'll see you in the next video.